Yeah, there's different ways to get the tomato in there, but that's a fairly, that way, I like the chunks regularly. For some reason I can get the actual tomatoes this time.
Whoa.
He's making chorizo.
What's that?
It's saffron.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's
You have
so
to,
expensive.
I'm taking a video, so you have to talk your way through it. Yeah.
Good to work with.
You're on video, so you have to explain you got your own cooking show here.
And now we add the saffron.
Who did the voice last time?
This is wonderful honey lemonade.
Trisha did the voice last time. The
Give your child.
Yeah, I could come back every day for that
Stew.
that beef stew she made.